Hey guys, look at this sum. Isn't it very nice? 4 multiplied by in bracket 6 minus 3 bracket complete plus 24 divided by 6. And the options are 28, 18, 16 and 20. Those who can solve this sum just drop your answer in the comment box. But those who cannot, let's start. We will solve it now. To solve this sum, we use the rule that is BODMAS. BODMAS is the abbreviation of brackets O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. This is the order of operations. Means first we will solve the brackets, then division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. We can solve division and multiplication together as well as addition and subtraction also. So let's start to solve. In this sum, which is the bracket, it is a 6 minus 3. So what is the answer of 6 minus 3? It is 3. So we will write the next step as 4 times 3 plus 24 divided by 6. After solving the bracket, we will pay attention on the division. Where is the division? It is 24 divided by 6. So what is the answer of 24 divided by 6? It's a 4. So next step is 4 times 3 plus 4. Now we will pay attention on the multiplication. That is 4 multiplied by 3. 4 times 3 is a 12. So our next step is 12 plus 4. Now there is a final stage. So we will add 12 plus 4, that is 16. So our answer is our C option, that is 16. Very good. Here it is a practice question for you. In a bracket, 81 divided by 9 plus 25 minus 17 times 2. And the options are 2, 1, 5, 0. Try to solve it and drop your answer in the comment box. If you like such type of tutorials, just subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you.